Welcome to the Kleinzee Guesthouse in Humana, South Africa. This is our room, come on in. The highlight of this room is the view that can be taken in from the balcony. Our balcony has a table centered right on the edge to enjoy the view. We have a very wide view of the ocean with Hermanus on our right. Our balcony also has a swing-in chair where you can sit and enjoy. Moving into the room, we have a king-size bed that again is centered on the view, so you can lay in bed looking outwards. We also have a fireplace on the inside as well as a flat-screen TV. Behind the bed, we have a kitchenette. The kitchenette is equipped with a dishwasher, a washer, and a refrigerator. There's also an indoor table that you can eat at. Moving further, we have our bathroom. Our bathroom is equipped with a freestanding tub and an open-plan shower with a rain shower head. The toilet is also on this side behind the doors. As you can see, the entire design of this room is really centered around that view that you can look and take it in from anywhere in the room. And that is our room at the Kleinzee Guesthouse in Hermanus.